What is up, everybody? Jose Ortiz here from PetRockMedia.com once again, and we finally have the announcement we've all been talking about and hearing about. The Fuji X-T4 is here. Let's take a look at the announcement video and let's see what we like from the announcement. Okay, everybody, if you are brand new to the channel and interested in gaming, technology, photography, cinematography, you name it, if you like teching out and geeking out, then this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you will be notified each and every time we post a video or go live on this channel. So the announcement has finally made it to us. The announcement was made last night, 11 p.m. local time here in Texas, 9 p.m. I believe on the West Coast. The FujiFilm X-T4 was officially announced by Fujifilm, and to me, it did not disappoint. So what we're going to see here is some promotion information from the X-T4, courtesy of Fujifilm. Obviously, they're going to be providing their own promotional videos. So, of course, you're going to see the amazing grand shots, people shooting out of helicopters, people, you know, on amazing beaches. Obviously, you're not going to have a setup like that. Shooting in the snow, perhaps, creating some of these amazing images. Obviously, the camera is a powerhouse of a photo camera, but you just see right there, they change it over to movie, and that's where we get some of the features that we have been dying for. You see, you're gonna in a few minutes here, or in a few moments here, you're going to see the slow motion. You're going to see, of course, the brand new in-body stabilization that we've all been wanting. Even though the XH1 had it, we wanted it in one of the XT series. There is one of the brand new presets you're going to get internally, the cinematic bleach bypass. Weather resistant structure, so of course if you plan on climbing Mount Everest, camera will got your back. Full HD 240 frames per second recording, so you can get those incredible fight scenes from animals, you know, things like that. You'll see some of the lenses that they're utilizing right there. Here showing you all the different lenses that you can do, how you can rig it out, cage it out. Obviously this is very video centric, so you'll see that here. And then you get that nice tight shot showing you the frame of X-T4 from Fuji, and then bam, you're hit with the final wording of X-T4. So what did you guys think? Are you going to be purchasing a brand new X-T4? Have you already sold your X-T1, 2, or 3 and are going to be waiting for this camera to come out? Now, if you head on over to Amazon or B&H Photo, the anticipated delivery date is April the 30th, which is roughly about 2 months away. Even though February does not have 30 days, it's roughly about 2 months away, since April is going to be towards the end, the 30th. Will you be pre-ordering it? As I mentioned, have you already sold off some of your old camera gear? Maybe you're not coming from a Fuji and upgrading. Maybe you're coming from Sony, Canon, Panasonic, and so forth. Is this enough for you to upgrade to the brand new Fujifilm X-T4? Or do you think your current camera is fulfilling your needs perfectly and there's really no need for you to upgrade? Let me know down in the comments below. Whoa. One thing that I forgot to mention while we were talking earlier is the price. So the rumored price, the price right now currently, body only with no lens, is $16.99 pre-order. Now, if you wanted to get it with the 16 to 80 millimeter lens, it is going to be $21.99, and it will come in black and silver. Same pricing regarding black or silver. Body only $16.99 with the 16 to 80 lens, $21.99. Now, they will have a battery grip that will be the Fujifilm VG X-T4 vertical battery grip, and that will retail for $329. I am sure Amazon and B&H Photo will have some type of combination deal to give you the lens, battery grip, and so forth for a potential discounted price. Keep an eye out for that. If I do find those particular deals, I will definitely link them down in the comments below in the description of this video. Once again, guys, this is Jose Ortiz from PetRock Media. If you enjoyed this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon, and I will check you guys in the next one. Peace.